Hi everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel, and today in this video we will see why some of the apps such as Facebook, Messenger, YouTube, etc. are hidden in your iPhone. Now you know for sure that you have installed these applications in your iPhone and you have not deleted those applications, but for some reasons those applications are hidden in your iPhone. Now this might be because you have enabled restrictions for applications above certain age to be displayed in your iPhone. So go to settings, go to screen time, go to content and privacy restriction, go to content restriction, enter the passcode, and if I go to apps, now you can see here apps which are rated above 4 plus will not appear in my iPhone. Now generally the social media applications or the YouTube application is rated above 12 plus. So what you have to do is you have to select allow all apps, and once you do, if you go back, then you can see Facebook, Messenger, YouTube, everything is appeared on your iPhone. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and share this video if you found it helpful. Also click on the subscribe button and hit on the bell icon to get the notification of our latest videos for free.